Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain how to create cube without sketch. See, this is a simple interesting option. I have created 6 different planes. See, first 2 planes are parallel to front plane. Second 2 planes are parallel to top plane, and last 2 planes are parallel to right plane. So I have created 6 parallel planes of equal distance. So we have to make equal distance. If it is not equal distance, it becomes a cuboid. So now we have to select from the features Intersect tool and create intersecting region and select all the planes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I've selected all the planes. Simply we have to say intersect. See, automatically it forms a cube and say OK. We can hide the planes. So we can create a cube or cuboid or any rectangular bar using these planes and without using the sketch. Thanks for watching.